change your TikTok region or location. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your TikTok region or location. Now, if you open up the app and head over to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap on the top right corner of your screen where you can see three-line icon and go to settings and privacy. Now once on settings and privacy, head over to your account, and if you go to account information, before you used to get an option to change your region or location, which is no longer available after the update. They just took this feature away from us. So the other way around, what you can do is head over to your Play Store or App Store and search for VPN. Now you can see I've already downloaded one. You can download one VPN, anyone you like. I will recommend this for you since it is free to use mostly. And once this, open it and agree and continue and let it set up quickly. And once it gets set up, you can choose free countries from here and above where you can see your world icon, and then your special one are paid ones. Here you can see free ones. I'll just switch to Germany from now, and then connection request, just tap OK and your connection will set up in a few seconds. Now once you do this, you can head over to your app and you can stream TikTok as much as you want. You can stream lives. You'll get the videos from the region that you have set your VPN to. But if you get the connection is busy retry option, you can always retry, or you can choose another random one. So this way you can change your location on TikTok. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.